Hello, beardless brethren. Did you miss me? I missed you. You don't want my personality, you want my facial hair, I know. Welcome to week 13. I have 10 days of growth on my face. That's crazy. Since it's social distancing and I'm in quarantine, my college canceled their classes and is now online. I figured now is a better time than ever to just grow my facial hair out and see where I can go with it. A friend on MINOXIDIL and several of you in the comments have told me that I actually should be growing out my facial hair because then I'm giving my facial hair a chance to actually fall out and for it to become terminal. So that's what I'm gonna try. It looks gross right now, that's the truth of it. My mom keeps saying to me, "So why are you growing out your facial hair?" Mom, I don't have any social obligations, so it's my chance to see what I can do. You can't do very much, it's kinda gross. I know. My girlfriend doesn't like it, but she's not here to see it. Without further ado, let's see my quarantine minoxidil beard. So as you can see, I have never had this much hair on my face before. It's actually pretty exciting. I'm starting to feel like, whoa, maybe I could actually have a beard. If you watch my first video, you will be amazed at the progress that I've made. I'll actually try to insert a clip maybe, or a picture from the beginning, and it's pretty insane how much hair I've got now. Since switching to foam last week, I've now gone back to 2 times of minoxidil every day. It's a strict schedule, it's hard to maintain, but foam is a lot easier because it dries so much faster. Like I said in my last video, I'm gonna try to make a comparison between liquid and foam and see maybe the pros and cons of each. As you can see, I even attempted to line up the bottom part. I don't know if you can see that. I've never done that before. That was wild. It is so patchy and it is pretty gross. I wish you could see the full extent of the vellus hairs on my face, though. I know it will be something cool. I just gotta wait. I'm super excited. Haven't seen a ton of side effects, just some hair where I don't want it, but since switching to foam, the flakiness, the dry skin, not a problem anymore. I just whacked the wall when I did that. I hope you thought that was funny. You probably didn't. I'm gonna keep growing my bum beard as I'm in my quarantine. I hope that you enjoyed this. I'll keep you updated more frequently now that I'm home for good since college was canceled. I love reading your comments, and if I can help you, I would love to. So leave any questions, any comments down below. Super interested in what you guys have to say. Be kind, be gracious, and be safe this coronavirus season. I love you all very, very much. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like it and subscribe for more of my minoxidil journey and some tips and tricks about what I've learned along the journey. Get good schools and do well in grades, and I will see you in the next video.